It begins with enormous banana stems, freshly cut, heavy, and saturated with moisture. They move slowly along the conveyor, still raw, still untouched by refinement. Then the first transformation begins. Powerful industrial blades slice through the dense structure, breaking it down into thick, fibrous slabs. At this stage, it's still plant matter, rough, wet, and unrefined. Inside the extraction machines, the real separation begins. Crushing rollers tear apart the plant structure, pulling long fibers away from soft pulp. You can see the transformation happening in real time. Waste is expelled, and fibers begin to emerge, still coarse, but now defined. Next, the fibers are washed. High-pressure water removes residue, cleansing every strand. As they tumble through the system, they begin to loosen, untangling, separating, and becoming more uniform. But natural fiber alone isn't enough. To truly transform it, it must be refined. Inside controlled treatment tanks, chemical processes remove plant binders, softening the structure, increasing flexibility, and preparing it for the next stage. This is where the fiber begins to change from plant to material. After treatment, the fibers are dried under controlled airflow. They become lighter, softer, more responsive. Then comes alignment. Each strand is combed, straightened, and positioned in one direction. This step is critical because alignment defines how the final product behaves. Now the process becomes more advanced. The fibers are stretched, refined, and thinned. Their structure is engineered, then coated with a fine polymer layer, giving them smoothness, shine, and flexibility. At this point, they no longer look like plant fibers. They begin to resemble hair. The strands are now ready for color. They are submerged into controlled dye baths, where color spreads evenly through every fiber. After rinsing and conditioning, they emerge consistent, rich, and natural in appearance. Next, the fibers are transformed into strands. They are spun, twisted, and aligned, creating continuous lengths that behave like real hair, then cut into uniform sizes, now ready for construction. The strands are stitched into wefts, long strips that form the base of the wig. At the same time, caps are created from mesh and lace, designed for comfort, breathability, and realism. Everything is now ready for assembly. Wefts are sewn onto the caps, row by row, building density and structure. For premium wigs, individual strands are hand-tied, creating a natural hairline, strand by strand. Then comes styling, cutting, shaping, refining, until the final form is complete.
First, secure the clips at the back. Next, pull the lace forward. Smooth it down along the hairline. Finally, style the hair as desired.
Each wig is tested, brushed, and inspected. Only the best move forward. Then carefully packaged, prepared for delivery. What started as a heavy banana stem has now become something entirely different, not by chance, but through precision, engineering, and controlled transformation. This one is how a wig is made.
All right, let's get this order ready. Quality check on the Lux wig. Perfect. Sealing it up.